When my wife and I ordered some delivery food and it showed up in a bunch of white styrofoam containers, we were one, surprised that people still serve things in styrofoam containers, and two, what to do with the leftovers from 14 separate boxes. And let me just show you what I mean. What we have here are styrofoam containers filled with, well, I'm not quite sure anymore. So here we have some leftover rice and some leftover steak and chicken. We're gonna put the cover back on that because now we're gonna add everything else, and it literally is like we are building Pink Floyd's The Wall. And guess what? Still room for one more on top. So the first thing I have to figure out is exactly what I have. And I have a lot, so let's just see what we got.